Hi, I'm Karina Fraley, and we're just about done with our easy to sew projects. We made our bag and our pillow and our headband, and just a quick variation on the headband. If you want to make a little scrunchie like this, a little ponytail holder, it's really simple. The steps are pretty much like they are for the headband, with the exception that you're obviously going to cut the fabric shorter, but you're also going to cut the elastic to a shorter ratio than with the headband, because you're going to want it to have a lot more scrunch than the headband for the scrunchie. And this actually makes a really great party gift. You can make a party favor. You can make a little bag, and like the ones that we made earlier in one of the other clips, and then you can make little headbands and scrunchies and create a really cute little party favor bag. The possibilities are endless. There's so many things that you can make if you just learn how to sew, even just a little bit. Very, very simple projects can be a lot of fun to make. So thanks for joining us on Expert Village, and we'll see you next time. Get out there and sew.